Morning, ma'am. Welcome to the Scientist Lab. Table for how many, ma'am?
One,
Which do you prefer? Smoking area or non-smoking area?
I prefer non-smoking area.
This way? Ma'am, would you like me to lay down your napkin?
No, thank you.
Ma'am, here is your one.
Thank you.
Sige, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to present to you our menu for your selection. Ma'am, I will take your order whenever you're ready. Ma'am, may I take your order?
I would like to order one iced tea,
One iced tea,
cream of mushroom soup,
cream of mushroom soup,
breaded pork chop,
breaded pork chop,
and one slice of black forest.
and one slice of forest cake. Ma'am, would you like to try our best seller, American chop salad?
No, thank you.
Ma'am, may I repeat your order? You order one cream of mushroom soup, iced tea, one breaded pork chop, and one slice of black forest cake. Would that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
Your order will be served in 15 to 20 minutes. Ma'am, here is your cream of mushroom soup. Sige, ma'am. Ma'am, here is your ice. Ma'am, are you done with your cream of mushroom soup?
Yes.
Ma'am, here is your breaded pork chop. your dessert, this is the black forest cake. Ma'am, here is your bill. Thank you for paying the exact amount. Thank you for dining with us. We are looking forward to see you.